viewers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. I've got another gorgeous specialty paper to show you today. This is the Forever Gold laser cut paper. Now this paper is in the annual catalog on page 152 as part of the Forever Greenery Suite. But come on, it's gold paper. You can use it for anything. You get 6 sheets of these stunning pre-cut elements. You get 3 sheets of these card fronts. You get 3 sheets of these beautiful card fronts, and then 3 sheets of these amazing foliage shapes. Now, just look at these shapes here, like this one and this one. They are perfect for accenting punched shapes. And these bits, all of these, you can just cut these up however you would like and use them in whatever way that you want to accent what you're doing. And if you're not into the gold, flip it over. It's white on the other side, and you could leave it as white, or you could color it any way that you would like. Amazing. I want to show you a couple of samples that I've made with this gorgeous paper. This has nothing to do with what we're doing today, but just to show you a couple of different ways to use that gold paper. Aren't those gorgeous? Now today we're going to use one of the card front pieces to create a super quick and stunning card. So the measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5, a mat layer of 3.5 by 5 inches, and another mat layer of 3 3/4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Now, because the main focal point on this card is gold, you could choose any colors you want because everything goes well with gold. I chose Pool Party, Pacific Point, and Gorgeous Grape to create my card. And what I've also done is I've used my Stitched Rectangles dies to cut out a little bit of white, and I'm going to stamp a sentiment on there from the Happiest of Birthdays stamp set. And I'm going to use the Pacific Point ink to go with the cardstock that I chose. Now I'm ready to put these layers together. There's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go. Once a month, you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess Code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!